This show every year surprises me more and more. The entrepreneurial spirit, the number of vendors that we get to meet with, the connections we get to make, it just helps us be better retailers every day.
We see this as family kind of growing together, and NGA is a family show, and it's many generations of independent grocers.
The networking comes almost exclusively from the educational content that the NGA provides, both within their own ecosystem as well as the retailers, the wholesalers, and the vendors that are providing the content.
Our favorite thing is to go to the Best Bagger competition. Representatives come in from different independent grocers, and everybody has got the same amount of groceries, and it all comes down to whoever can do it the fastest.
I'm looking forward to seeing the school that wins the case competition.
The case study program requests prompts from several different companies. So grocers all across the country submit their prompts, and then one specific grocer gets selected. They're going to get a ton of new, improved ideas from all these different college students, all these different campuses.
We come out every year, we make it a priority to seeing the vendors, finding new products for our stores, just a learning experience and a networking with the industry.
The expo floor is crazy. I was blown away. Just the technology base around the industry is just something for everything in there. Companies can come here and you could leave with a whole new program just off this expo floor.
This is a great forum for folks to learn and to network and to really get some valuable tools and information that they can take back to their companies to help themselves be better operators and succeed in the marketplace.
I'm really looking forward to next year's show in San Diego. San Diego's a beautiful city, and I think we're going to have more space, more vendors, and it's just going to be more exciting.